Marble floors in Hounslow lost their shine? We can help. Have you noticed your marble floors aren't as bright as they used to be? Over time, foot traffic, cleaning products, and tiny scratches take away that glossy finish. The good news? Your marble isn't ruined, it just needs the right care. We use advanced polishing methods to remove surface wear and restore that stunning mirror-like shine. Here's how the process works. It all starts with a thorough inspection. The type of marble, its finish, and any existing coatings are assessed. Scratches, stains, dull spots, and uneven edges, known as lippage, are identified to determine the right approach. If the marble has severe wear, damage, or lippage, the first step is grinding, often called restoration. This removes a thin layer of stone, usually between 1 and 4 millimeters, leveling the surface and creating a seamless appearance. Next comes honing, an essential step for floors with visible scratches or worn, dull areas. Using progressively finer diamond abrasives, honing smooths the surface, removes minor imperfections, and prepares it for polishing. Now, it's time for the main event, polishing. Fine abrasives, powder polishing, or crystallization techniques bring out the marble's natural gloss. To protect the finish, sealing may be applied. A penetrating sealer adds a layer of protection against stains and moisture. The final step, buffing, removes any residue and enhances the polished look. Whether for floors, countertops, or walls, proper polishing keeps marble looking its best for years to come. Imagine stepping into a home where your floors look as good as new. Don't let dull marble take away from your home's beauty. Let's bring back the sparkle. Call 01372 664 337 or visit our website tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk today.